Hey everybody, this is Free Human Don, and I'm about to show you some stuff. It just got finished raining, and now it's sunny. I have no way to prove this to you, but this stuff was not here before, but this came out of the rain. I call it Chemtrail. Okay, it's lime green in color. Okay, so I'm going to try to get close here. Hopefully the sun will work in my direction. But it's all along where the water ran down the stairs. I call it Chemtrail. I know if you probably took this and tested it, you would find all sorts of crazy stuff, but I don't have the money, so if anybody has any way I could test this stuff, just email me or leave me a comment here on YouTube, but take a look at this up close. And this was not here before it rained. I can't prove that. You're just going to have to take my word for it. It's on that step, and then it's also on this step. Notice how it's not on the tops of the steps. Just where the water ran down and it collected on the stones. Chemtrail. It's green. And there's this step. Doesn't smell too good either. That came out of the rain. So just imagine what you're breathing. Peace out.